Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke sama ulong bah kejingdap ke basisnem jong ke Sorkar MDA baar in yai Bteng ban sngau thu ya ke ke bala ja hakisnem bala lek bat ban yai sekmat ya ke jing temu ke Sorkar kumbala penpau ha ke mang tingka halor commission Shaphrang wat lakin dan bun ke jing yele ki baha ban mat bat kentiu ya ke yok ke kot jong Kejela ulong ba commission Shaphrang kala dai lupa ke minimum program bat ka ke kam bala le ha ka MDA benengkong enyai Bteng ban pendap ya ki babon ki kam ha ka baya dei pat ka jing pendung dekat biang jong ka seng GNLA ulaong bana ka liang ki pulit ki la ban yok kem ya lai ngut ki dekat jong ka pat ki pulit kindang trish tom ban yok kem ya ki wei pat ulong bawat ha pedeng ki babon ki jingile ke Sorkar kala la ban simkia ha baya dei bat ka song suk song sain ha ka baya dei bat ka jing sha kem jong UPSO ka HNLC Menteri Rangba ulong ba ka Sorkar kan la ban aila ya ki kam balong be ain la ki long ki kam dawa pisa ne ki wei pat ki kam bat ha baya dei bat ka jing kren yesuk ulong ba ka Sorkar kala dep ban pelong ya ka jing yalang ban ya kren halor kene ka benta.
So today we are marking the 1-year completion of the MDA2 government, and it also coincides with the 6-year completion and anniversary of the MDA government as a whole, MDA1 and MDA2 together. And it has been, of course, a very exciting journey, and we have seen many challenges along the way. Many difficulties were there, but as a team, with a lot of coordination and a lot of trust and a lot of hard work, we have been able to overcome some of the challenges and bring the state on a certain path of, I should say, stable and a consistent growth that we are seeing now in the overall economic scenario of the state. And we strongly feel that in the last 6 years the foundations that have been laid are now going to be very, very important for the next level of growth which we expect to achieve in the coming years. And hence we are very excited, and I take this opportunity to thank all our colleagues in the MDA, all the cabinet ministers in the MDA1 as well as MDA2, all the MLAs and all the political parties who have worked together to make this happen, and of course the officials and society at large for really being with the government and supporting. There will always be challenges, there will always be people who will not agree with everything we do or say, but that's how democracy is. But as I said, overall we are happy to see the work that's been done. A lot more is desired, and for me, as I was mentioning earlier, it's not about anniversary. Every day is important for me. I wish not to lose any moment or any minute where we can work and take the state forward. But more importantly, today is a very important day for us to recommit ourselves to the state and to our people, and to reaffirm all the beliefs and thoughts that we have had while we formed the government, and recommit ourselves to ensuring that we take our state and our people forward. We have not worked on the common minimum program. In fact, our Mission 10 is in itself a common minimum program. It's of course more of an economic document, but most of the areas where we have focused on where issues have come out, we have taken a large effort has been put in, and a number of steps have been taken in all the other issues which were there in the MDA 1, and we continue to do that, and that's how things are moving forward. So the commitments we had given in MDA 1, those commitments continue, and we will continue to achieve the different goals that we had set for ourselves. Challenges will always be there. If there are no challenges, then there is no work. So incidents will happen. It's a part of process, society, governance, whatever you may call it. And so there's never going to be a situation where challenges will not be there. Not just for our government, for any government for the matter of fact. What is important is to be able to take corrective measures and actions to put things in place. And whether it is the regrouping that you're mentioning, 3 people have been arrested and 3 more are, we'll look out for 3 more of them, which we are very sure we'll be able to catch them. Overall law and order situation, if you look at it, has been peaceful. The incidents have been there, sporadic incidents have been there, there's no doubt about it. But these happen because we are living in a very complex society with many different complications that are there. But as I said, what is important is to be able to maintain the overall balance and to be able to maintain the overall law and order situation, which we see that in the past many years, despite of many challenges, we've still been able to a large extent maintain the law and order in this state.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center